A lot of people want to make video content or audio content or other types of content, but they are afraid to use their own voice, and the AI generated voices are not really good. But today I have brought to you an amazing tool that also generates voices using AI, but the best part is these voices are super natural. They are going to sound very human-like. As a result, your audience will not be able to identify that the voices are generated by AI. So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. The tool that I was talking about today was Speechki, and it uses AI to generate various voices, and there are over 650 plus voices, so that is amazing. And to use this tool, all you have to do is paste any text on this tool, and then it is going to turn that text into voice. And another great feature of Speechki that it is not only limited to English language. There are over 77 languages, which means you can turn text into voice even using your own native language. And the great news is Speechki is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is about $86, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59, and this is a one-time single payment. Speechki is an alternative to Descript and Speechelo. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. So as you can see, the conversion limit is unlimited, as well as listening and sharing. There is ChatGPT plugin for text to speech conversion. You will get access to standard and premium voices. And here the mentioned AI voices is 560, but the actual number is over 650. That is the updated number. Overall, the languages and the dialects are over 100. There is also audiogram, so that is another impressive features. And then there are also some other features, as you can see. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. With tier 1, the cost is $59, and here you can generate voices, text to speech or text to voices 20 times per month, and you can also generate 3 music. So one of the primary features of Speechki is they also allow you to make text to music, and you can generate 3 music per month if you buy this license tier 1. There is also license tier 2, and here you will get the additional feature of audiogram generation. And on the license tier 3, the cost is $239 with unlimited voice generations and 50 text to music generations every month. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of Speechki from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. So after you log in to Speechki, you will get this dashboard, and it is a pretty simple dashboard. It is super easy to use even for a beginner. On this My Project section, you can create a project, and then you can paste or type your text, and then Speechki is going to turn that text into voice or speech. And then there are some other options that I'm going to explore too. So let's first try this text to speech or text to voice feature. For that, click on create a project. Now on this box, you have to type your text or paste your text. So as you can see, I have pasted my text, and now I have to give it a project name. So let's type project 1. And then comes the best part, which is selecting speaker and also your language. So let's click on this one. Now first you have to choose your language. For example, as you can see, there are over 70 languages available on this Speechki tool. And you can also search for a specific language. For example, I want all the voices in English. So let's type English. And the best part is there are various dialects even for English. So as you can see, English is not only one English. There is Australian English, Canadian English, Hong Kong English, India English. So there are also various variations of English. So that is amazing. What I'm going to do is choose English US, and once you choose a specific language and dialect, all the voices within that language and that dialect is going to appear. So let's select English US, and now as you can see, here are all the languages or voices, voice actors that are available within the English US language. And you can also see which one is female, which one is male. Their voice tone is narration, so that is also an amazing feature. And obviously there are a lot of voices, so it can be hard to choose, or you might get confused which one you want to choose. For that, Speechki allows you to preview any voice that you want. For example, let's preview this voice.
The term happiness is used in the context of mental or emotional states.
So as you can see, this way you can preview any voice. Let's preview another one.
The term happiness is used in the context of mental or emotional.
Then this one.
The term happiness is used in the context of mental or emotional states.
So as you can see, here are some of the previews.
The term happiness is used in the context of mental or emotional states. The term happiness is used in the context of mental or emotional states.
And as you can see, if you notice something,
The term
the
happiness
voices
is used in
are
the context
very
of mental
natural
or emotional
sounding,
states,
so that is amazing.
including positive or
The term happiness is used in the context of mental or
The term happiness is used in the context of mental or emotional.
I don't think the voices sound like AI or robotic at all, so that is an amazing feature. You can add this voice to your content without any doubt about being robotic or about being generated by AI. So let's choose a voice. Let's choose.
The term happiness is used in the context of mental or emotional states.
So I think this one looks pretty good. So I'm simply going to click on this name. And as you can see, now it is selected. Now all I have to do is click on audio and it is going to create the audio based on this text. So let's click on generate audio. So the generation process has started and I have to wait a few seconds or a few minutes for that. And it is also going to send you an email notification when the generation is complete. So you do not have to wait. You can do your other works when the generation is being completed. So there you go. The audio generation is completed. From the speech, the audio is now fully generated according to the voice that we selected. And here is the full audio with a little audiogram. And you can also see the duration. So let's play this audio and see how it has turned out.
As the sun rises and sets, as seasons change, and as life's journey unfolds, may each day bring you joy, opportunities, and a sense of fulfillment. Remember, every encounter is a chance to learn, grow, and make a positive impact.
So I'm not going to lie, the voice generation is amazing. It does not sound like AI at all. The voice expression, the voice tone, and the overall generation is really impressive, I have to say. And here there are some additional features. For example, you can change the speed for this voice. You can lower the speed. So let's make it lower.
As the sun rises and sets.
So as you can see now, the speaker is speaking very slowly. You can also make it faster.
As seasons change, and as life's journey unfolds, may each...
So this way you can change the playback speed of this voice and you can obviously download this voice in order to use it on your content. Now let's explore some of the other features. So another impressive feature is this music generation, which means you can literally generate music using text. As you can see here, there is a little description. Use our text to music tool to transform your ideas into music, which means all you have to do is click on generate music and then you have to provide a prompt or a description about what type of music you want. And then you have to select the duration, then you can generate the music. So let's type something here. So here is the idea that I have given on this box. Create a soundtrack for an epic adventure in a fantasy world. I think it's a pretty good idea. And then you also have to choose the duration for the music. I'm not going to make it too much longer. You can make it about 120 seconds, which means it could be 2 minutes long at most. But what I want to do is make it about 15 seconds. So okay, so here is our duration and then you can click on generate music. So once again, the generation has started and you will get an email notification when the content generation is completed. So the text to music generation has completed and here is our music. It is about 50 seconds long. So now let's play this. Wow, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with the result. If you remember, the given prompt or given idea was about creating a soundtrack that resonates with epic adventure in a fantasy world. And if I play it once again, you will understand that the text to music result is amazing. It has followed the prompt very strongly and created a music that exactly resonates with my prompt or idea. Once again, you can decrease or increase the playback speed. You can also download this music to add it to your content. Now let's explore some of the other features. So then there is another section on Speechki, which is voices. So on this voices section, you can get access to all the voices that are available. And obviously you can search for a specific voice within a specific language on here. For example, it could be Spanish. So all of the voices are going to appear. Just see how many dialects they have within Spanish. So this is amazing. So this way on this voices section, you can preview or see all the voices that are available on this tool. And then there is another feature that is audiogram. So on this audiogram section, you are going to get audiograms of all the text to speech or text to voices that you have generated on this my project section. So that is amazing, and I have already generated a text to speech, but that is still not appearing on audiogram because it takes a couple of minutes for that. But let me show you how the audiogram sounds or turns out. So currently I am on my another account, and on here I can show you the audiogram of one of the text to speech that I have generated. So let's open this. So here is the audiogram. So let's make it full screen. Now let's play the audiogram.
Greetings and salutations. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. How may I be of service to you on this fine day?
So as you can see, this is what exactly you are going to get on this audiogram section. Every text to speech or text to voice that you do on this my project section, they are all going to appear with subtitle, and also their audiograms as a video on this section, and you can also download this and then use it. So that is also another amazing feature. And then after the audiogram, there are also some of the upcoming features, and they are also very promising. So one feature is this voice cloning. You can clone your voice. And then there are also some other features related to podcast, playlist, and also monetization. So you have to watch out for them, but you can already try out this voice cloning. For that, you have to click on this. And for this voice cloning feature, you have to include your name, sign up for the waitlist on here. Then you can try out the upcoming features. Overall, I have to say Speechki is a complete solution for your audio needs. It can turn your text into audio, and it doesn't give you a generic AI voice. It gives you some really natural sounding human-like voices, and there are so many languages, over 70 languages as well as 650 voices. So I have to say the collection is pretty big. And there are also some other advanced features such as text to music or audiogram generation. So overall, I have to say Speechki is an excellent tool. And if you want to buy it from AppSumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. And as for the features, here are all the features that you are going to get with this tool. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.